Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the adapter fits your device and the display input. Plug the Lightning connector into your iPhone or iPad. Make sure it seats fully to ensure data pins engage. Next, connect an HDMI cable from the adapter to the TV or projector. If the adapter uses external power, attach that USB-C or Lightning power now. This stabilizes signal and powers accessories. Once done, switch the TV to the correct HDMI input and unlock your device so output can begin. Now you configure output behavior and troubleshoot common middle steps. If you want mirrored content, open Control Center and enable screen mirroring. For video apps, playback should automatically use external display. Make sure orientation and rotation lock are set correctly to avoid upside-down images. Check iOS volume and the TV's input audio settings so sound routes correctly. If the picture looks stretched, change the TV's overscan or aspect ratio to the display's native setting. This preserves sharpness and correct. To finish, verify steady charging if you'll use the adapter long-term. Attach power so the device won't die mid-session. Make sure apps are allowed to output video. Some protected content may restrict external display. If you see no signal, reseat the Lightning and HDMI connections, try another HDMI port, or swap cables to isolate the issue. As a final step, update iOS to ensure compatibility. If problems persist despite those checks, replace the adapter because worn connectors often cause intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.